I want to show you an exciting project which could potentially 300x from the time of recording. If that's interesting to you, please drop a like, give me a subscribe. Before I continue, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest any money, and only invest what you can afford to lose. You know me as ALTBAE. I love crypto, no FOMO. So the project I want to talk about is FameAi. The ticket is FMC and is currently at $0.001. I personally hold this token. I bought earlier on today. I bought in at 0.0008, so roughly about here. It's still going up, and the market cap is 2.5 million, as you can see. And we've got circulating supply up to 2.6 billion. And we've got total supply there. 10 billion. So we've got really good action here for the past 30 days. It's gone up 88.9%, and I just think this project could do really, really well. But before I show you more details, I'd like to show you where you could buy. So I bought through Uniswap on here, but it is also available on Bybit. So just make sure that you can get the contract address from here if you are using Uniswap. So effectively, FameAi, it will introduce us to some really exciting spaces with crypto and just technology overall, with artificial intelligence and social media. So this enables you to create your own artificial intelligent avatar or way to represent yourself, so you don't have to come on screen yourself, but you can also share your ideas through different social media platforms. And I think this is really relevant because as I first started this YouTube channel, I didn't want to show my face at the beginning. I had I had a character on my thumbnails, for example, and I had to get used to showing ideas to a screen. And then I thought, as I became more comfortable, I wanted to show myself and my personality on here. So I think this is a good happy medium, just to kind of showcase ideas and also have fun in creating their own avatar to become an influencer. So as it says here, become an influencer with Fame app, transform into an AI-powered influencer, creating and sharing captivating content, all while keeping your identity under wraps. I won't read through all of this here, but just really the key points here. So the platform enables you to share your thoughts, ideas freely without the constraint of personal exposure, which I said before. So you just embrace your liberty to inspire and influence. Okay, so this is just more detail to scroll through here. So it's designing your digital AIW. So you'll be able to effectively make an avatar. You'll be able to select the style of what the avatar looks like. You'll be able to pick your gender. You'll be able to pick like stuff like appearance, and also reflect on your kind of content or your niche that you want to discuss. So you can see here in the background here, it's got here about celebrities. I've got Elon Musk here. Also like content where like Game of Thrones, if that's interesting to you, if you want to talk about that. And they've got over 100 unique FameAi personas created to date. So they're not just following the AI influencer trends, they want to reshape it using AI technology to transform digital into action. Yeah, so we've got kind of examples here. So it's kind of just more like for TikTok. I'll move on. So as I mentioned here, you'll be able to determine your preference, your identity, whether your gender, ethnicity, customized appearance, and personality as well. So this is just more about the content that you can pick here. And So it says here your gateway from images to live stream. So it's not just like having a profile on Instagram or Twitter. You'll be able to put live streams, and the artificial intelligence will be catered to match your branding characteristics and your tone of voice. Okay. So they've got kind of demos here and whatnot. I won't go into that. So they've got from the artificial intelligent personalities that they have at the moment, they have more than 100,000 combined followers across all social media platforms, and more than 850 million impressions, and 25,000 organic participants engaged with them. So this is the most important thing, is that people are engaging with the with their artificial intelligence personality avatar. There's also more than 100 key opinion leader backers, and there's over 100,000 active loyal subscribers who follow these artificial intelligence characters here. Let's move on. So these are some of the actual realistic avatars or artificial intelligence influencers that was created using FameAi. So I predict that the most this will go up is a 314x. So obviously it depends upon the market. It's really pumping now. I think this is a good opportunity to buy. So put my thumbnail 314x, which is 32 US cents. So, and if you just want to go down a bit, maybe, I don't know, 125 will be 13 cents here. 69 will be 7 cents. So let's just have a refresher on here. The high up here, let's go up to 00225 there. So I think this could do really, really well. I don't think a lot of people are talking about this because it's still new. If you see here, the ranking is 2028. So again, this is kind of high risk. So if you are going to invest, only invest what you can afford to lose. I'll see you in the next video.